For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to create a computerized resource, the biggest digital currency, that would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability and power. Every one of the obstacles and inventive erraticisms encompassing digital forms of money were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano. Cardano Establishment, the People Group Impressions. The People Group at the Cardano project intends to convey money-related gains to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of instructing and cautioning them on all the bare essential of the crypto world. The establishment committed to Cardano Establishment's task has support from InfoResult Hong Kong and Emergo. Taking on the total sanction of liability towards financial backers. Social reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they edit the imaginative peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal techniques particulars. The entire portfolio is fastidiously examined and inspected by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass consciousness of the advanced resource ADA, supported by training on blockchain and DeFi areas with ministers, promoters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate systems makes Cardano stand apart from its friends and fundamentally influences different industry portions. Frederick Gregard, the CEO, has the vision as of now crucially cut for the corporate. Cardano Establishment has a devoted and top-quality ability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever, and I guess that the following couple of years will be a huge development period for the convention. Cardano, the new overhauls. There are a ton of moves up to Cardano's shrewd agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most effective overhaul. The Alonzo Purple redesign got a gigantic change-savvy contracts. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and changed the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May, yet the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its adaptability to all the more likely oblige the new clients. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs fit for taking care of 1,000 exchanges each second. Assuming it is valid, Cardano will be the most elevated scaling network on the planet. Cardano Value History and Specialized Investigation. Cardano is the 9th biggest cryptographic money by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has an immense market cap of $8,672,316,422. The development is essentially because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has declared one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. Nonetheless, 2022 has not been entirely ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto ruler. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 24 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it ceaselessly exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. ADA endeavored a recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for buy regardless of the unfavorable market patterns from mid-walk. In the wake of coming to the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a critical remedy and fell underneath $1. As per our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the digital currency market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from now on. The ADA coin showed range-bound exchanging, and for the leftover days of the year, our Cardano cost expectation 2022 demonstrates a ceaseless combination in the cost, and the ADA cost will most likely be unable to cross the 35 cents mark. Be that as it may, the cost could begin serious areas of strength for a following a couple of months in 2023. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. As per our ADA conjectures, the coin might exchange a scope of 20 cents to $1.97 for the year 2023, where the base cost is 20 cents and the most extreme cost is $1.97. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around $1.09. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. The base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around $1.73 and $3.50. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost gauge, is supposed to be around $2.62. It is normal that ADA might make another ATH this year. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. 2025 is the year when at last the coin might cross its $5 mark with a greatest exchanging worth of $5.03. while the base future cost is supposed to be $3.26. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $4.15. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. The ADA cost could change somewhere in the range of $4.79 and $6.56 in 2026, where the previous is the least cost and the last option is the most exorbitant cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectations. The typical worth expected for the year is $5.68. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. As per our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and greatest costs for the year are supposed to be $6.32, $7.21, and $8.09 individually. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and on the off chance that you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, dealers can acquire extraordinary benefits. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. In light of past execution, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $7.85 and $9.62, while the typical cost might be $8.74 for the year 2028. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. Subsequent to stirring things up around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upswing. According to our ADA cost expectation, the base and greatest costs might be around $9.38 and $11.15 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is anticipated to be $10.27. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA cost expectation 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $10.91 and $12.68. Simultaneously, our Cardano Value Expectation 2030 proposes that the typical worth might be $11.80 all year long. Here are numerous crypto specialists who think the ADA value conjecture to be extremely hopeful, having enormous procuring potential, and urge financial backers to give shining proposals as underneath for this computerized resource. The Cardano figure recommends that the ADA cost could cross the greatest cost of $2 toward the finish of 2029. The base cost may be around 97 cents according to their ADA cost expectation 2025. ADA cost conjecture is that the cost will reach 36 cents by January 2023. The normal most extreme worth is 45 cents. The base worth is 30 cents for January 2023, according to our Cardano cost figure. Cost estimate. Toward the finish of 2023, the most extreme cost of Cardano will be 7 cents, while the base cost will be around 6 cents. The typical incentive for 2025 is supposed to be around 65 cents. What variables drive the Cardano cost? Cardano, or so far as that is concerned, some other digital money, can be impacted by different elements. The ADA cost is essentially impacted by the broker's opinions and whales for the time being. Assuming purchasers show an interest in the token, the cost will be extraordinarily impacted decidedly. Indeed, even whales can control the coin's cost. In the event that an enormous amount of ADA tokens is held, the interest for the coin will build because of the marked-down supply, consequently expanding the cost of the token as well as the other way around. While in the long haul, the cost principally influences mechanical headways and key examples.